Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button so that you could keep getting all my videos and be a part of My Life on a Hill. Anyways, guys, I'm making a smoothie and I love these kiwi. They're kind of like sour, and these are just some of the ingredients that I will put in today's smoothie. Here are the kiwis before I cut them up, and make sure you wash everything before. I wash my knife for every fruit, and then when I already cut the fruit, I wash it again, and then I put them in my wherever I'm putting them in my container. And these are the organic strawberries. So I'm trying to help build our immune system, which I do on a regular basis. And when I already chop off the strawberries, cut them up, and my organic cucumber, and my organic banana. Hey guys, with this coronavirus going around, we have to keep building our immune system. I love this item. It's a moringa. We get it normally from Belize, but it's hard to get stuff from there, so I had ordered through. It's also organic, and I like that it is organic, and I got it from Pangea, and it's anyways it's on the bag. You could see it. It's really a good item, you guys. Powder. Try and Google. I won't tell you what it's good for because I don't want to get demonetized, but Google what it's good for. And it's normally made with tea, but I'm not a tea person, so I sprinkle it in their food, in their smoothie, in everything that they can't see, because with my kids I have to hide their veggies, you know. So anyways, I'm using my ground turmeric and sprinkle a little bit. And for me, everything's a dash. It's not equally measured out because I'm dealing with two boys that don't like to eat. My youngest will eat vegetables, but not my oldest, so I have to hide it any kind of way. And of course, my organic ginger and all these, like I said, build your immune system. Don't forget your vitamins. Don't forget, exercising, eating organic, eating less carbs, less sugar. It's just not about the smoothie, because as you will see, I have a little bit of cinnamon that I'll be putting in there, and also a little bit of sweet. And I also love this organic bee pollen that I use for my son because he always have like little allergies and stuff, and I sprinkle a little bit in there. And I got this from Amazon, and I just put a little bit enough. If I put too much of anything and anything stands out, they won't drink it. So, and I was deciding, should I do the agave or the honey, and make sure your honey's not or the it's not heated. Don't put it in a microwave. Make it as natural as possible. And I love both of them, but for this video I used the agave because it was easier to video with one hand and pour it out with the other. And don't forget your ice. I prefer crushed ice, but my crushed ice was acting silly, so I did cube ice, let it melt a little bit, and then I take it to my blender. And I think it's time for me to get a new blender. I've had this for a while. I love it. It comes with this bigger one. See, it's up there, my Ninja, and all the pretty colors that's in there. Yeah, I love this one for a larger container. They have the single one if you just want to make a basic one. That one is like 1 cup. I use that for my cilantro, onion, and garlic for seasoning my regular meat, for my meats. And then but when you take it from crush, from that, make sure you take it back to the blend so that but see, those are little chunks that are still left. For my kids, if they see it, they will pick it out. And I try to make their glass equal because they're like, how come he gets more than me and how come he doesn't? Ugh. But I just grab what I grab. They're going to have to drink it. And then I try to make sure they get equal taste. So I don't give them a full cup depending on the flavor or the taste that they will get. But they'll get this like I try my best to do it every day, along with their vitamins, along with eating healthy. And they like to eat school food. So that's kind of hard for me. I fight them every day on that. So I try to make it up with all this healthy stuff and spinach and, whatever, kale. So anyways, build your immune system, fight this coronavirus, keep your body healthy.